Mozambique's ambassador to China, Maria Gustava, said she was impressed by the development of southwest China's Tibet after making her first visit to the autonomous region.
Then when you arrive here, you find that it's something that is not what you thought about. I thought that was everything from the historical way, because that's what has been portrayed. I've been to two big cities, lifestyle with the people here and Beijing. Everything's the same. Everything, yes. You have the universities, you have the schools, you have the hospitals, you have the museums. This is really what that I admire, because the Tibet is become modern, is developing, is touching all the modern life, but it's still preserving its own identity, preserves its own traditions, preserves its own ecologically. It's a combination of modern life with creating the better condition. Nobody could even imagine that with all these mountains and high condition, you can have a bullet train moving. So this really impressed me. And even what also was remarkable is that you can still have internet, 5G.
Oh, 5G, yeah, you use Tibet there, 5G.
Yes, no matter where you are. If it's rural area, it's in very far away, you are connected. And the one thing also that I'm really very, very impressed is the high level of education. And from what I heard that here, until 15 years, it's free education. So which means the children, they can have access to their education. And also I wanted to highlight one thing that I think works very well, the modern of how to combat poverty. Cities that they are helping and they are working together.
A system.
Yes, it's some model I didn't know about. Some developed cities coming to Tibet and help. They're doing well because from what I could see, they have food, they have clothes, they have shelter, they have education, and they have also the health system. I could see that those old people, they were very happy. Yes, I could see love in their face, in their eyes.